Hey guys, on today's video, I want to talk about 5 things why people are leaving Austin, Texas. I've had people come to Austin and they have left because they didn't know these 5 things. So stay tuned and let's get started. Number 1 is weather. Austin experiences hot and humid summer, which can be uncomfortable for those not accustomed to such weather conditions. June, July, and August are the hottest months. If you look at the averages, June is around 109, July is 110, and August is 112. Those are the averages for the summer. And also during the winter, when you hear there's a chance of snow in Austin, Texas, guess what? Everything is going to be shut off. Even the schools, everything is canceled. You're pretty much staying home where there is a storm day or a snow day in Austin, Texas. And that was kind of a shock for me, especially moving from Chicago. In Austin, Texas, especially for those that are moving from different states, you can see the pipes over here in the homes are not as insulated, which can cause them to break easily, especially during an ice storm. This is one of the reasons why we ask to prep your home before the winter months start. Number 2 is allergies. In Central Texas, we experience astronomically high mountain cedar pollen counts. It's usually through December through February. There's also grass pollen that can cause allergies issues from March through September. If you have allergies, you might want to reconsider your options or be prepared with an action plan. Number 3 is cost of living. Living in Austin is more expensive than the national average due to higher housing costs and somewhat elevated expenses. The average cost of rental properties in this city ranges from $1,753 per month for an apartment up to right below $3,000 per month for a single family home. As far as purchasing goes, usually prices go between $550K to $575K as a medium range, depending on the type of the property. I've been here for about 20 years. I've seen the cost of the properties and even cost of the rental of the apartment has gone skyrocket. Guys, if you want to know how much I paid for my first apartment here in Austin, Texas, comment below because you will be shocked. There's also not just the cost of living, there's also home insurance that has gone crazy high. Taxes, all properties is appraised at a full market value, and taxes are assessed by local county on 100% of appraised value. Texas is a state with high property taxes, and Austin has some of the highest property taxes in Texas. You will see anywhere from 1.4 to 2.99 as high on property taxes. So you guys, when you're looking for a home in Austin or the surrounding areas, make sure the first thing you're asking is what is the property taxes in that subdivision. Very, very important. Number 4 is the traffic. I've been here for about 20 years and I've seen the amount of growth that has happened in Austin, Texas, and it's insane how traffic has started right around 2:30 if you're driving from south or north of Austin getting in and out of the city. With the city's rapid growth, traffic congestion has become a significant issue. The infrastructure hasn't quite caught up with the population boom, leading to a congested roads and longer commute times. So if you're one of those people that are going back and forth on a job, make sure you're putting in that commute time, especially here in Austin, Texas. There's also limited transportation. While efforts have been made to improve public transportation, Austin is still largely a car-dependent city. They have buses, they've got trains, but I really don't see many people using the train, especially there's one that's going from Leander, Texas to all the way to downtown. And number 5, guys, is the food. I think this was a little bit of a shock for me, especially when I interviewed a lot of people here in Austin and why they're leaving Austin, Texas. Yes, the barbecue is amazing. Yes, there's Texas food that's amazing. But for those that are not enjoying the food are the cultural foods that are looking for the authentic Chinese cuisine, Asian cuisine, or different cultural food options that are here in Austin, which is not quite there yet. We have started seeing some food trucks, especially for the people that love the Indian foods. We're seeing a lot of restaurants opening up, but that's going to take about a year or 2 years to get that food system here for those that love the cultural food and want to try that taste. For those that are coming from Chicago, Boston, New York, or Seattle, or even California, the taste of the authentic cuisine from different countries is quite not there yet in Austin, Texas. It may take a few years for that to come. So wrapping up, guys, the cost of living in Austin, Texas is higher than national average, but still more affordable when compared to other major cities. Essential costs such as housing, transportation, and food, along with utilities, are taken into account for overall cost of living here. Planning and budgeting carefully can make a difference in taking advantages of what this vibrant city has to offer. From its diverse cultural scene right down to leisure activities like entertainment or healthcare requirements, including child care expenses if needed. Despite paying slightly above average prices on these essential factors, it remains worth your while due to their quality standard that makes residents in Austin desirable at any rate. I hope you guys learned the reasons why people are leaving Austin, Texas and not liking it here. But for those that are wanting to come here, live over here, look for options on residential homes, here's my information. Reach out to me, let me know. I can help you with whatever you guys need right here in Austin, Texas. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.